Timo couldn't burp. And all her brothers and sisters were telling her to breathe in and then breathe it out. And then Mima said, and all her brothers and sisters could do a bunch of large burps. And Mima was doing all these burps, and she was proud of it, and she denied she would never.